Okay, everybody, okay. Another video. God bless, God bless. We are headed to a no cool call in Carrollton, Georgia. So this one says it has water in the pan, which I'm excited about because I bought me a Milwaukee transfer pump. Even though I got most of my tools are DeWalt, but I wanted to buy that Milwaukee transfer pump, so I'm excited to use it. Let's see if we're able to use it on this one. So it's on cool.
Emma, your daughter.
So it's 68 in here already. So I'm just open both zones up. This is a zone system. There's the water. Let's check this out. Okay, so coil is in very good condition. Let's see what's causing this water issue. I'm gonna have to get a new filter. I tore that one up. Let's see what's causing this water issue. Pressures look about normal. 123, suction 257 head, because it just rained out here. So let's check the subcool and superheat. Alright, so I'm gonna let this run a little longer. Subcool is 4. This calls for a 10-degree subcool, but it's not the hottest day outside. And I'm still just gonna let it run for a little bit. That way this can see what this finally ends up at. I don't see anything that'll cause the system to freeze, so I'm not sure if it froze or not. This thing could drain a little bit more, so probably part of the issue is probably clogged as well. I'm just excited I'm gonna get to use my transfer pump. So let's see how that goes. So let's see if I could get some out of here. Look at that. Pretty clogged up. Not the worst. So it has some gunk in there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the pump. Cordless, got a battery in there. Let's go see what we can do. Okay. Make sure I put this on. Okay, so it's this way. So this is gonna go here. And this is gonna go to, probably could have cut this out a little bit. All right, let's see this thing work. Super nice, guys. Super nice. Oh my God, this is amazing. bad. That was pretty cool. That was awesome. Oh yeah, that is what's up, dude. Man, that's cool, man. For real. That's the best investment I made this summer, buying that pump. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all convinced me on the comments to buy that pump. Not that pump specifically, but to buy a transfer pump. Man, that's crazy. That's amazing. That just saved me like 3 trips going up and down. Look at that thing drain, bro. Man, that is amazing. Let's watch this video. Okay guys, so that was pretty cool. That thing's draining. It was draining before, but it does look like it's draining a little better now, so we could say that was the issue. I don't think we have an issue with this. It keeps climbing between 4 and 6. This is 119. The house is chilly, so we don't have a very big load in the house. Like I said, out here it's not the hottest day. This is about what it got to, about 5. Suction pressure is 117, but we don't got a real good load in the house. It's about 68 degrees in there now, so it's pretty cold. So we could say this was the issue, the drain. That's what caused the water issue. I could add some refrigerant to it, since I got both zones open right now anyways, and I could add some just to get this subcool up. I might do that, see what it'll do. So we got the 410, we got the scale. I'll add some to it, just a little bit, just to make ourselves feel a little better about that subcool. This thing was probably not ever charged correctly, or it might have a leak, but so we'll add half a pound. We'll let this thing sit for a minute. This thing is a 2022, so possible it was never charged correctly, who knows. We'll let this sit for a minute. So while we wait for that subcool to stabilize, let's take a look at this. Man, it's just pretty cool, man. First transfer pump I ever had in my entire life, so I don't know how to act. It's got the arrow, so it'll pull through here, go up through there. This thing is light too. Thing's cool. Thinking about making the switch to Milwaukee tools. I just don't wanna, I put the battery in backwards so I won't accidentally turn the pump on. But yeah, I'm thinking about making a switch. I don't really need to, you know, it's just more of a want. But we'll see if I'm able to probably sell my DeWalt tools, or I'll probably slowly make a switch. Any new tool that I need to buy, I'll probably buy Milwaukee. I just hate having subcool is at 8.5. Superheat dropped a little bit, so I'm feeling good about it. Suction pressure is low because the house is pretty cool. It's about 67 degrees at the upstairs thermostat. I had to set it at about 64, 63. So I only added about half a pound. So we are good. We're good on this one.